Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply parent and grandparent super visa for Canada using IRCC Portal. Earlier and even now also it's possible to do in the GCK account, but in this IRCC Portal, which I find much better. So I'm going to walk you through the process. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So I just want to show you, I just want to walk you through the process of applying. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk, because this is just a sample video which may or may not work in your case. So anything you do based on this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So first thing is to sign up for an account. So I assume you know. If you don't know, like, you can just click on sign up and proceed, but I'm gonna log in. So when you log in, you get these terms and conditions. You can read and then click on accept. Okay, now we are in our IRCC portal. You have an option. From here you can apply. So apply to visit or study in Canada. These are the things. Credit card, these steps. I acknowledge. Click on start application. Okay, do you want to apply for more than one person at a time? So it's up to you, like as a family or something. But if you're applying on alone, just let know. So for the purpose of this video, just let's say somebody is applying for his mother. Okay, so I want to application visitor. Okay, I want to apply for a visitor visa or super visa. Okay, I select for this video. Why do you need a visa? Let's read all the reasons: to be with loved one who's critical ill, to provide care, funeral, vessel, diplomatic, accompanying family member, as a tourist, to visit my spouse, grandparent, to visit my children or grandchildren for more than 6 months, super visa. Okay, tell us more about what you would like to do in Canada, include dates. Okay, so I'm gonna put some random things, but you can say that based on case by case that you wanna apply for super visa, wanna stay, and other things. So I'm just gonna hit some random, but you gotta put the actual values. So I just did some sample, because on super visa you can stay up to 2 years if you're eligible. Unique client identifier. So first time when you apply, there is no UCI for you, so you can leave it. And if you have applied before, it's good to put it, but because anyway IRCC is gonna find this out. You selected apply for super visa. Okay, now coming down, it is gonna show you what exactly you need: finance, travel history, criminality, medical background, family information. Click continue to application. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? Let's say no, like the applicant themselves is applying. So now you can see all the tabs, and at the end it comes to complete, but there's far. Let's just go through it. Last name. So let's say the applicant here's name is John Smith, a citizen of India, who has his son Peter Smith as a permanent resident of Canada. So John is gonna visit Peter. So just gonna enter the details. I'm just gonna enter some sample, but you gotta be active. So I just entered this mail. What type of document you are traveling? So I just put select passport. So regular passport. Now you need to put country. So let's say India. He's from India. Nationality, again India. Whatever is applicable in your case. Passport number, I'm gonna put a random number. Okay, confirm your passport travel document number. Same thing, you gotta confirm. Okay, date of issue of passport, again I'm gonna put a sample number. And it will also be given a warning: make sure your passport is valid long enough to cover the time you want to be in Canada. Will determine the expiry date of the document you are applying for. Yes, be careful guys. Now some question: are you a green card holder? Let's say no. Have you held a Canadian visitor visa in past 10 years? I select no. Do you currently hold a valid US non-immigrant visa? No. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select yes. Whatever is applicable in your case. Okay, country or territory. Let's say this guy was born in India. Let's say was born in New Delhi. Are you a citizen of more than one country? I select no. which country or territory you are citizen of. So I select India. Since birth, yes. So it automatically picked up the date of birth being that. Okay, fine. Do you have valid national ID document? So when I had applied for my first Canadian visa, I had used my Indian PAN card and it was accepted. So now in India you have Aadhaar card and other things. So I just put some random number, right? So okay, let's put it. Select country territory. I select India. Okay. So this is the beauty of this form. Like all the validation, lot of validations it's doing here also. So you have less chances of committing error. Have you used another name in past? I select no. What is your residential address you currently live? So applicant is in India, so I'm going to put a random Indian address of New Delhi that may not even exist, so don't mind it. Okay, I just put some random address. List your current country or territory, then add all other country or territory you have lived for the past 5 years for more than 6 months. So this, let's say this guy has never gone anywhere, so I'll just put India here. What is your territory? Status citizen. This is where I currently live, and because he's a citizen since birth, so I'll put his birth. This is just a random sample case, guys. Just don't go by it, just to walk you through the process. Save. Okay, so click on save and continue. But yeah, verify everything. Biometric fingerprint detail of the applicant. Do we already have your fingerprints biometric and they are still valid? So let's say no, he has never gone through. So then he has to go for it. He knows it. That's fine. Now who is inviting you? The name exactly. So his son Peter Smith, relation to you, is family member, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna put some random values here. Okay, and then I'll show. Okay, now I have put some random details of the inviter. Okay, so I clicked on save and continue. Okay, how much money do you have for your stay in Canada? So I'm just putting a random number in your actual application exactly, and make sure it, I mean, you need to have the proof also, right? They can ask, like it should meet, you know that, so I won't explain much. Is someone else giving you money for this? I said no, but in many cases it's yes, right? Information about, look, we have gone through multiple tabs already. Wow. Post-secondary education. Have you ever studied at post-secondary school? No need to complete a degree or diploma. I select no, he has not done. But if you have done, click on yes and provide the details. Work activities history. Do you serve military militia? No. All your employment and activities for past 10 years. Okay. So I just add. So take past 10 years. So we are in 2022. So 2012. June. Ongoing. Work activity. What are the things we have? Business. Okay. Job title. Let's see what are the things we have. Let's say he's working as a cashier. Company name, I'll just put some sample. I put daily groceries, just sample. So here you have main duties, address and all. So I'll just put some random values on it. Click on save and continue. During the past 5 years, have you traveled to a country territory other than the one you are a citizen or where you live now? So I select no, but if you have, provide that information. Have you ever stayed in Canada beyond the world? He has not gone to, so no. Have you ever been refused a visa, permit, denied entry or order to leave any country or territory? I select no. But in case if your situation says yes, select yes. Because if you put wrong answer, it could be considered misrepresentation and then you could be in a difficult situation. Don't go into that. Secure criminality and security. Have you ever committed any crime in any country territory? I select no. No. Charged, offense, convicted. I select no. Whatever is your case. So many security questions. Criminality. Members of a political party or group or organization which has engaged in advanced violence. I select no. If you had a medical exam performed by IRCC authorized by a physician, I select no. So in that case they will ask. Tuberculosis, no. Dialysis treatment, no. Marital status. So what status? Let's say he is married. Okay, when was marriage? So let's say he was married in 2000. On 25 years after birth. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, date September 1st is fine, right? 2. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's say he has a wife whose name is Elizabeth Smith. So I'm gonna put the details. Okay, so I selected these answers. And this question, be very careful. Will your spouse, common law partner, accompany you to Canada? Answer yes, even if your spouse will join you later in Canada. So be very careful with this question. Do you have any biological, adopted or stepchildren? Yes, children. So he has a son, Peter Smith. So I'm going to include the names. So I put the information. Let's click save and continue. Tell us about your parents. You adopted, Billy, provided details. Parents required. Okay, add. Okay, so I'm gonna add the parent now. Just some sample details. Okay, now it comes contact. What's your native language or mother tongue? So because he's from India northern side, so I'll put Hindi. Can you communicate in English, French? I select English. Which language you want us to contact? I select English. Email address. Confirm email address. So I'll just put some email address and we'll go to next page. Okay, so it's next is asking for the phone number. I'm gonna add a phone number. Let's say he has a cellular, not from US Canada because he's from India. Dial code, so for India it's gonna be 91 and I'm gonna put some sample number. Okay, so now I have gone to summary. Here you can expand everything and check, and I would strongly recommend you do that so that you don't miss or there's any error. Now it is asking for documents, letter of information, proof of income, child, grandchild, nationality document, passport, travel funds, proof, medical insurance. You can click on each of these and you can see what there it is saying. An optional document. So I would say it's like provide as much as possible because then it's gonna be easy for them. Like consent, personal information, this form if authorized from your case file to someone else. So it's not required. Employment letter, additional documents, any additional document, okay, that you want to do. So once you go through these documents, next is gonna be fee, consent declaration, and then complete. So that's how simple process is this, guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching.